In this video, I'm going to show you one of the safest and most secured ways to purchase and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in Nigeria amidst the cryptocurrency ban in Nigeria. Ever since this ban came into play, peer-to-peer exchanges have actually flourished, but peer-to-peer exchanges has its disadvantages, especially with respect to security and safety of the accounts. But Remitano, one of the biggest peer-to-peer exchange in Nigeria, has come up with a way to protect its users from these disadvantages. So what I'm going to do is to, one, show you what the regular peer-to-peer exchange is, the advantages and disadvantages. Then I will show you how Remitano P2P works and how it shields its users from this safety and security case. Then I will now do a live demonstration. So stay put and let us get straight to it. So how does a regular P2P exchange work? So let's say this is Gina, and Gina has Naira. She wants to buy Bitcoin. So she goes to a P2P exchange, and the P2P exchange has an escrow, and she meets Ayo in the P2P exchange. Now Ayo has Bitcoin, right? So she indicates that she wants to buy Bitcoin from Ayo. What happens is that Ayo's Bitcoin is going to go to the escrow. Let me move this so you can see what I'm talking about. So Ayo's Bitcoin is going to go to the escrow. Now, in the escrow, Ayo no longer has access to this Bitcoin. He can only release it to Gina. He cannot release it to himself. Gina does not have access to the Bitcoin as well until Ayo releases it to her. So what she would do is to send the money to Ayo. She will pay directly to Ayo's bank account. And once she has sent it, she's going to indicate that she has made the payment on the platform. And once Ayo have received the money, Ayo is going to click on the button that says release the coin, and the coin will be released to Gina. So here, Gina has Bitcoin and Ayo has the money in his bank account. This is how the regular P2P exchange works. Now, in case Gina did not send the money but click on that she has paid, or Ayo received this money and click that he and said he has not received it, what will happen is that the escrow or the P2P exchange support is going to come in and ask Gina to provide her proof of payments and Ayo his account statements. Then he or she is going to go through. Whoever is right will receive the Bitcoin, and whoever is wrong will be kicked out of the exchange. This is how the regular P2P exchange works. Now let's look at the disadvantages of it, or the advantage and the disadvantages. So the pros include that there is no central account. So because there is no central account, it is not susceptible to government interference. Two is that trades can go on 24/7 once there are people to trade on the platform. And if you know how to use the platform well, you can actually get coins or at a very good rate. Why the disadvantages are that there can be fraud due to human error. So supposing Gina did not send the money to Ayo and clicks that she has made the payments, and Ayo not confirming, just click on release. Now Gina is going to get the Bitcoin and she can just go away with it. Ayo can actually do nothing. Then we also have what we call the man in the middle scam. So Gina can go and hack someone else's account. Then since she has hacked another person's account, she can use to come to the platform, pays Ayo with a hacked account, and gets Bitcoin. Now Ayo, once the owner of the hacked account realizes what has happened, he can go and report to security operatives, and Ayo is going to be arrested and probably go to jail because the money was sent to his account. Then we now have another disadvantage or con is dispute resolution takes time. So when I said they can go into disputes, say Gina did not send the money and indicate that she has sent, or Ayo received and refused to release. When they go into disputes, because they are going to be given time to go to their bank to get proof or statement of account, this process can actually take time. It can take up to 24 hours. During the weekend, it can take a lot more time. So if Ayo or Gina really needs the Bitcoin or the money, they will not get it as fast as they want. They will not have transaction delay due to unavailability of the other party. So Gina comes to the platform and she wants to buy Bitcoin, right? But Ayo has listed that he has Bitcoin to sell, but Ayo might be sleeping, or maybe somewhere he doesn't have network or something like that. And Gina pays him the money. She has to wait and wait and wait until Ayo comes back to the platform to actually release the Bitcoin to her. And if she needs this urgently, she's going to be delayed. So these are the cons of the P2P, regular P2P exchanges. Now let's look at how Remitano try to solve this problem. They solve it using what we call the Remitano Fiat wallet. So Remitano Fiat wallet in Nigeria is called the Remitano NGN wallet because NGN is not the fiat in Nigeria. Let's look at how the Remitano NGN wallet works. So let's go back to Gina. This is Gina, and she has money, right? She wants to buy Bitcoin, and this money is in her bank account. What she does is that she goes to Remitano and creates a bank account. Then she will transfer this money from her bank account to her Remitano NGN wallet. So in this case, she's having the same money in her bank account. She transfers it by bank transfer, which will take less than 5 minutes. It will reflect in her Remitano NGN wallet on the Remitano platform. So she wants to buy Bitcoin, and she meets Ayo again, and Ayo wants to sell Bitcoin. She has Bitcoin he wants to sell. Ayo also has a Remitano NGN wallet, which is automatic once you have a Remitano account. So what Gina does is to indicate that she wants to buy Bitcoin from Ayo, and that happens. The Bitcoin from Ayo wallet will just go straight to Gina's Bitcoin wallet on Remitano, and Gina's money in her Remitano NGN wallet will just go straight to Ayo's account. Now there's no need to click on I've paid or for Ayo to confirm anything. It's just happened instantly and automatically, in as much as this Ayo has Bitcoin and Gina has money in her Remitano NGN wallet. So in this case, Gina has the Bitcoin, Ayo has the money. There's no dispute, there's nothing to resolve and anything like that. So if Ayo now wants his money in his bank account, all he needs is to withdraw. So withdrawing is now sending the money from his Remitano NGN wallet to his bank account. As simple as that. So all these cons we mentioned earlier, man in the middle scam, fraud due to human error, dispute resolution, and all those things are taken care of using this Remitano NGN wallet. And this NGN wallet was not affected by the CBN ban. So that said, let me go straight ahead and show you a live demo of how you can do this on the Remitano platform. To do that, you go to Remitano and sign up if you have not signed up yet. Now, if you want to sign up, there's a link in the description. Please make sure you use that link to sign up. So once you sign up, right, let me show you. I've actually explained the Remitano platform and show you different aspects and how they function. I'll leave the link to that video in the description. All right, but let me just go straight and show you how to use the Remitano NGN wallet. To do that, we go to dashboard over here and we click on wallet. So the wallet loads up. You can see in my Nigerian Naira wallet, I have 5,002 Naira there. So if I want to buy Bitcoin of say 30,000 Naira, I'll first have to deposit Naira into this Naira wallet. To do that, I'll click on deposit here. I'll select the bank I want to transfer from. I want to do from Zenith. Then since I want to buy Bitcoin of 25,000 of 30,000, let me deposit 25,000 since I already have 5,000 here. Then I click on deposit. So this is the account number I'm going to pay into. I'm going to pay 25,053 Naira into the 53 Naira 40 kobo, and I must enter this as my reference. This is what I should enter as reference, and this is the account number I'm going to pay to and the account name, and you can see it is Access Bank. So let me go and do that. So I have made this transfer. Once I've made the transfer, I'll come and click on I have sent the payment. Then I can submit payment proof if I want to, or I just wait for this payment to reflect. It is important that you enter the exact transaction reference in your narration and the deposit amount, the exact deposit amount. So I've done that. Let me just wait for this to reflect. It usually takes about 5 minutes to reflect. This took just about 2 minutes. The money is now in my Naira wallet. So you can see Nigerian Naira 30,005 Naira 80 kobo. So this is how you do the deposits. The next step is to go and buy the coin I want to buy. So I'll click on P2P exchange to do that. Then I can choose to buy Bitcoin. This is a P2P exchange. These are the sellers and buyers. I've actually explained this in another video. I just want to go straight and show you how to just buy or sell. So I can buy Bitcoin, or I can choose another coin. So I can buy Ethereum, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple. As a matter of fact, let me buy Ripple. So I click on Ripple. So I click on Ripple and I click on buy. Let me refresh this. So yeah, so I've chosen Ripple and I want to buy 30,000 Naira worth of Ripple. And I can enter it in Ripple or enter it in NGN. I want to enter it in NGN. So I click 30,000 Naira here. I type 30,000 Naira. So these are the buyers. This buyer is from Guaranty Trust Bank, Access Bank, and this is Remitano NGN wallet. Now, if I want to implement what I wanted to implement, it is best I buy from somebody selling in Remitano that has Remitano NGN wallets. This is where the transaction is going to be instant. I can still do the normal P2P by buying from this person or this person. Yes, this amount looks higher because it's 15 Naira higher than this and 5 Naira higher than this. But for the sake of this video, let me just go ahead and buy from this seller using Remitano NGN wallet. So I just click on buy. And okay, before I do this, let me just quickly show you my wallet balance for Ripple, so you know the amount I have in my Ripple wallets. Let me open this in another tab. Wallets. So you can see I have 1.62 Ripple here. Let me go back here and refresh this again. This is just notification that I have made a deposit. A deposit has occurred. So I go here and enter and type 30,000 Naira again. Then I want to buy from him or her. I click on buy. So I'll be getting 122.25 Ripple. Click on yes. I have to enter my OT code. This is for security reasons, to be sure that you are the one buying. You can get this from your phone. During registration, you can actually enable two-factor authentication. So I enter my code and click on confirm. So that is it. The trade has occurred. If I go back to my wallet and it's already there, is now 124 Ripple. This is what I have bought. This is how you buy. This is, you see that it is instant. I don't need to wait for anybody to confirm my transaction. This is how you use the Remitano NGN wallet. Okay, if I want to sell, it's the same thing. I can sell to somebody that has the NGN wallet, and the money will just appear in my Naira wallet here, and I will click on withdraw to have it withdrawn. I will enter the amount I want to withdraw, enter my account details, and within 5 minutes I will see the money in my bank account. This is one of the safest way to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in Nigeria amidst this CBN ban, and also to stay away from fraudsters that's actually infest P2P exchanges. So if you have any question, just feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that. Give us a like. Make sure you give us a like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notification when we release awesome videos. We do this every other week. That said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.